So, out of all of these different types of ads, there's some that are going to be more likely to be important for you to go through and use this semester. I'm going to focus on those first. The first type are going to be these two under awareness. Here we first up have brand awareness. Brand awareness is a really neat type of ad because what's going to happen is you're going to specify who you want your ad shown to. Facebook is then going to go, and from that subset of people, they're going to decide who's most likely to be excited about your particular product or service. They're going to show ads to those people. Then they're also going to go through, and some of them will get a survey. They're going to get a small little one-item survey that asks if they remember seeing an ad from you. So what's neat about this is you get a metric that actually tells you how well your ad was at getting people to remember your brand or product. That is super cool. The other type of ad under awareness is reach. Reach is really cool because basically you specify who it is you want your ad shown to, just like with awareness, except Facebook and Instagram they're going to go through and just show your ad to anybody who fits those criteria. So they're not going to try and choose people who they think are going to be more excited by your ad. They're just going to show it to anybody who fits the criteria it is that you specify. This is a great way if you just want to have a whole bunch of people see the ad that you go through and create. Under consideration, there's a whole bunch of different ad types. The ones that are most relevant to you are most likely going to be traffic. This is where you're basically showing people an ad, and then if they click on that ad, sending them somewhere else. Whether it's to your website to buy t-shirts from Teespring, whether it's to another place to donate money, or whether it's to a different site to order cookies or whatever it might be, you're taking them to a particular website. This can be really relevant if you simply want people to go through and buy something or send them somewhere to get more information. Another one that's really relevant as well is engagement. With engagement ads, what you're trying to do is basically get people to go through and either engage with the content, your ad, by liking it, commenting on it, sharing it, right? Or of course going through and liking your page if you're trying to grow your audience. Maybe you're also running an event and you want to have more people sign up and RSVP for that particular event. Other ad types, ones for app installs, probably not relevant. Video views, you can go through and use this to get video views. You can also embed videos in other types of ads as well too and run those too. So don't think this is the only place you can run videos. Lead generation is useful if you're trying to get people to go through and basically message you to get more information about a product or service. Maybe you're selling a gym membership, maybe you're selling a house or something, right? This is a great way to have people go through and basically ask you for more information about something. Messages is useful too if you want to stimulate people to go through and actually message you. Again, it could be similar to lead generation where you want people to message you to get more information about something or potentially find out more about an event, right? Either of these could be useful for that. The two that are going to be most relevant for this course are probably going to be traffic, trying to get people to go through and buy something or donate or make a reservation, or engagement, trying to get people to interact with the post by liking it, commenting on it, right, sharing it, or even liking the page. Onward to the third category. Conversions is my absolute favorite because it's a fancy word for sales, and nothing is better than selling stuff. So, under conversions, you've got three different ad types. Store traffic is a really neat one, although it's one you probably actually can't go through and use. The reason for that is you have to have more than one physical store for this to work. If you do though, this is super neat because what it does is it uses location data in people's phones to tell if you showed them an ad and then they actually went to the physical store. Kind of creepy, but super cool. Catalog sales, of course, is going to track if you actually have sales off of a catalog on Facebook, but the one most likely to be relevant to you in this course is going to be conversions. If you are going through and if you are selling stuff for Teespring or selling anything else online where you have a Facebook pixel installed, what this will do is it will basically track who sees your ad and then goes through and actually buys your product. So it's a really cool way to tell if your ad actually leads people going through and converting, aka buying whatever it is that you're selling. This is a really powerful way to be able to track the effectiveness of your ads. And if you haven't already, I encourage you to go through and set up that pixel if your client is selling something online. If you're one of the groups doing Teespring, you will have already done this when setting up your account.